good afternoon friends. It's 15th of August today. So I wish all of you a very happy Independence Day. And I'm here in this beautiful part of the amazing city of Pune. And this year it is the 15th August for us in Pune. So we have just completed 15 years in this city. And today when I came for this afternoon walk, just to meditate over my goals, just to have some nice fresh amazing breeze at a place where I can take off my mask and relax a bit. You can see it's a beautiful amazing area. And friends, I want to talk about the fact that you sooner or later you attain things which you truly want to attain, come what may. And I saw that happening in my life also in a very, very magical way. I'm just looking in this direction because I can see some people are playing golf, and I do not want any ball to come and fall in this direction. You can see some people, right? I think you can see. Yeah, I can see them. So what I'm saying is that it's very important for you to appreciate this fact that maybe today, maybe tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow, maybe next week, next month, next year, maybe after 10 years. Ultimately, what you are going to attain is something which you want in a manner which the world calls as burning desire. Burning desire. So you have got an undying passion to attain something and you want to have it, come what may. No amount of distraction can make you stop. For example, can make me stop making this video. You might be hearing some background noise of some dogs fighting. So distractions will be there, and these distractions will be there in the form of television, news channels, some social media comments, some negative thoughts which might come your way, some people who might be willing to laugh at your dreams, some people who might be saying that you can't achieve what you wanted to achieve. So this distraction will come in different ways. But one thing is for sure, if you want to attain something, you're going to attain it. Now, why am I talking about this in such a beautiful, amazing place? That's because I always had a burning desire to live my life in one of the most beautiful cities in India. I was born in a small but beautiful township, which of course got abandoned a bit because of closure of a couple of factories and industries, which used to be the reason for the township to flourish and stay greater and bigger. But then the industries got closed, and then I moved out because of my studies and because of the fact that I have to work in a company. I have to go out to some other town. I won't call it a city. And then again I started working in a town which was a very small town with very few options. What I'm trying to tell you is that even if I wanted to have an ice cream, scoop of ice cream, I couldn't get anything beyond maybe a chocolate flavor or vanilla flavor. That's all. So life was plain vanilla. Life is all about options. I wanted to have options of bookstores where I can go and sit for some time. I wanted to have options of people that I can meet. I can meet writers, I can meet trekkers, I can meet adventure enthusiasts. I can meet people who have got love for life, different aspects of life. I wanted to have a life, design a life for me, which has got options in any and every field. And that's the reason I wanted to live my life in a bigger city. In a bigger city which is not exactly a crowded city, but it has got all the options of life. And I recall, I literally had to wage a freedom struggle to break free from the shackles which had kept me in a small town for almost 9 years. Almost 9 years. Despite the fact that I was working in a large company, but I was still living in a very small town. And somehow I had this burning desire that someday, Arun, you are going to break free from this and get into the city of your dreams. In 2006, after waging this freedom struggle, inverted commas, for 9 years, I finally came out of the town. Of course, I learned a lot of things in that company, in that town. But finally, in 2006, I came to the place which is as beautiful as the place that you can see. It's the beautiful, amazing, lovely city of Pune. What I'm trying to tell you is that in the same town, there were many people who were not very happy with the life. They were not really joyful but they had sort of compromised with the condition which had come across them, and they had some sort of thinking that it's okay for them to live their life in that small town. I never compromised. It took me a long time. Many people who wanted to come over to Bangalore or some other cities, they did it earlier. But as I told you, if you have got a burning desire, which is always burning, you always have to keep on adding some fuel to the fire. That's very important. And once you keep on doing it, you will ultimately get what you want to attain in life, be it anything. This example of city is just an example. You can attain the company of your dreams. You can attain a job of your dreams in a company of your dreams. You can attain social media followers. You can be an author. You can become an entrepreneur. You can have your dream coming true in the field of sports. You can become a singer, a painter. You can become anything or anyone that you want to become. The thing is that it may happen today, tomorrow, next week, next month, next quarter, next year, or maybe after 10 years. But it will happen. It will happen. This is a story which I just told you about me coming to this beautiful city of Pune while actually literally waging a freedom struggle is there in my third book, which I call as motivational thriller of India. I can see somebody hitting a ball, and here is the place from where people are hitting. So I think it's better that I go to another place. But of course, ball will not come here. But you never know what kind of players I am looking at. So if you want to attain something, it is bound to happen. Just do not change your direction. Keep on moving. Law of attraction does work, and this is one example. Stay blessed, stay successful, and this is an amazing world. Isn't it? So I can see a ball falling there. It's an amazing golf course. And with this, let me say hi. And once again, happy Independence Day. Always keep on fighting with all your might to gain freedom in your life. Take care. Bye-bye.